We're at the top of Powder Mountain Ski Resort, which is a several mile drive from Eden up 20% grade road. And this here beast didn't have a problem with it. Didn't even get hot. Thermostat opens up at 190 and it's stuck around 200. This is a 1974 Dodge Ramcharger with a full pop top. But wait, some of you Ramcharger purists are saying, wait a minute, that's not a 74 because it's got a 79 grill. Well, you're right, partially. It is a 79 grill. I like the 4 headlights better than the 2 big round ones. Those are LED headlights with all 4 of them light up in low beam and all 4 of them light up in high beam. Enough power to burn your retinas out with some off-road lights. Of course, you got the old 1970 original winch bumper there with a 12,500 pound winch in it. And there you go. This is a very rare Ramcharger because it's the full pop top. Most of them still have the door frames. But in 1974, they made the full convertible. Extremely rare. Only half a year did they produce this with the factory solid roll bar. Har, 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 har. Yeah, that's a bad boy. It also has a dealer option factory fender flares, which were, you know, kind of cracked. It had to be refiberglassed on the inside, but they look good now. Kind of restored. Axles have been gone through. There's still the full-time four-wheel drive axles. We've gone through, put in new bearings in them. New paint job. It's got some runs and scratches and dings and dents. As you can see, there's a scratch and a ding right there, and some right there from taking the roof off. Hey, on the back side, those are brand new old stock lights. Whole light assemblies, brand new old stock. That's the original bumper. However, that's not the original type tire carrier. No, this has been reinforced underneath in that bar in there. It's been reinforced with a bar that attaches to the frame to make it really heavy duty. So it still has that stock look, but it's got an extra heavy duty tire carrier on the back. Not the type that bolts to the body and tears your body apart. Paint job's in good shape. Look at those rims. Hey, those tires are 35 1250 R15s. And look at the exhaust tips coming right out. That looks nice, stainless steel. Inside we got racing seats with harness seat belts. We got a stock seat, in the back. And there's the dashboard. Now the dashboard, it needs some love. It's kind of dry rotted in the sun and chipping, so it's not the best. But the floor is rhino lined so that you can just hose it out when you need to. Yeah, now listen to this baby roar. Don't that sound nice? We'll show the engine here in a minute. Yep, there's your full convertible top. Can't beat that. It's in great shape, but like I said, it's got some scratches and some imperfections in the paint. There's a little bit of a run there, and there are paint fenders. There's some scratch down there. So it's got some wear and tear. But that wood grain, that's the original wood grain. And yes, this is the original paint color. It's a beautiful emerald green. It's got the bird bath hood with the very coveted ram hood ornament. Yeah, you can see there's a couple imperfections on the paint, some chips and scratches. The grill's got some imperfections. It was broken there, but then welded back together with aluminum. Underneath, you got the steering stabilizers. But this is what's beautiful, is look, there's no rust under this thing. Look at that frame. There was no rust on this except for 2 places. And I'll show you where the rust was. Right here, there's a little place where rust gathered, so it's been cut out and replaced. The rest of the floor, that's all original floor. That's original floor. Right there in the back. Original floor, no rust. Look at the back here. That's the frame, man. No rust. Now there was a little bit of rust on this fender, but the metal was cut out and patched right up here. Otherwise, no rust. It's a gorgeous specimen. underneath. Once again, we'll walk around, check out all new drive shafts, brand new drive shafts. Getting a 44 front, got the 8¾ heavy duty rear. So the transfer case and the transmission have been gone through. The transmission has been flushed and filtered and tested at the Tanner transmission shop. Now the motor, yeah, let's show you that. Yeah, so look, under the hood, that's the original paint. Original stickers. Yeah, the wiring harness has been kind of cleaned up. And there's the 318. It came out of a rat rod. It was built up for a rat rod, but then they were going to go with a bigger motor. So I got it. It's got a brand new Edelbrock 650 carburetor, tuned for high elevation. We're running the MSD box over there and the MSD coil. Everything's brand new alternator, brand new heater pump, brand new windshield wiper, brand new washer pump water motor, brand new ignition control. Well, that's the voltage regulator, because there's the MSD ignition. There's the relays for the winch. See, kind of clean. Everything's nice and clean. I hate crap all over the place. That's the original radiator, clean, nice, no problem whatsoever, because it came all the way up this steep grade without any hesitation and any overheating. New master brake there, and listen to this again. There you go. Made out of solid U.S. steel. Yeah, baby. Ooh, you can see my reflection in the paint job. Not many trucks that you can stand up in and just look out at the view. Ain't that pretty. We're way the hell up here. Here you go, 1974 Dodge Ramcharger. One of the few with a full pop top.